We have built a COVID ventilator in Africa for use in Africa and other developing parts of the world. We call it the Kabako Ventilator. Our ventilator design is ideal for developing countries because it can be built from local parts and it can be built by virtually anyone using simple tools. In April, the New York Times reported that 10 African countries had no ventilators, and in 41 African countries there was an average of only one ventilator for every 2 million people. With your help, we can drastically improve the availability of ventilators. I ask for your assistance because we don't plan to make money from our ventilator design. Instead, we will widely offer this life-saving design for free to anyone who wants to copy it. It will be open sourced. That will make ventilators far more affordable for people in poorer countries. The Kabako ventilator has another major advantage for countries with limited medical infrastructure. It is extremely easy and safe to use. Conventional ventilators use positive air pressure to blow air into a patient's lungs, and it takes highly trained medical people to administer and monitor conventional ventilators. In developing countries, highly trained medical people are as rare as the ventilators themselves. The Kabako ventilator is what is called a negative pressure ventilator, and it can be used by minimally trained medical staff. The first negative pressure ventilators were the iron lungs, built in the 1940s for polio victims. Negative pressure ventilators have been modernized since the iron lung days. My name is Hank DeBay. I'm an engineer and I have lived in Africa for 12 years working on various technical projects, but this is the most important one. This is me, the guinea pig, enjoying the Kabako ventilator. Currently our team is only myself and 3 others. There's a great deal we need to do. Just some of the things are: we need to expand our team, thoroughly document the build process, translate the process into foreign languages, get the word out around the world, answer questions from builders, buy more and better tools for the team, and so much more. Share this widely so that people know that there is a life-saving ventilator design within reach of almost everyone. And please, click the donate button. Thanks.